Have you ever wondered about the hidden stories behind Africa's most mysterious shrines? Today, I'm diving into the heart of Igboland to unravel the secrets of the legendary Udo Shrine. This isn't just a place of worship, it's where power, justice, and deep tradition meet. Long before colonial times, the Udo Shrine was the ultimate courtroom. If you had a dispute, you'd come here to swear an oath, because here lying wasn't just embarrassing, it could bring disaster. People truly believed the gods would punish anyone who broke their word. But not everyone could just walk in and make a wish. Only those who were spiritually pure, who had gone through ritual cleansing, could approach the shrine. Picture elders sprinkling sacred chalk, enzu, on the ground, asking for permission to step closer. And then there's the python, the sacred eek. In some villages, the shrine was guarded by this powerful creature. The python was a symbol of the earth goddess, and harming it was unthinkable. Imagine a whole community respecting and protecting a single animal, all because of its spiritual meaning. Before battle, warriors gathered at the shrine, seeking blessings for strength and protection. Some even brought the skulls of defeated enemies as offerings, hoping to channel the shrine's power into their next fight. But maybe the most mystical part? The shrine held the Ofo and Ogu, symbols of truth and innocence. If these were ever lost, the village believed its soul was in danger. That's how powerful the Udo Shrine was for the Igbo people. So as modern life speeds up, I have to ask, can the legacy of the Udo Shrine survive? Drop a comment if you want to hear more untold stories from African history, and let's keep our cultures alive together.